Hi all you beautiful people out there, this is Shaky Glamour. I hope that you're all healthy and well and keeping safe. Today I want to share with you my no makeup look, or if you wish, simple light day makeup. So this look has been inspired by all the women that I've come across that want to do makeup, but they feel like it's just too time consuming. They feel like they just don't have all that time to do makeup. And also women who want to do makeup, but they just don't want to do this whole glam look every single day. I myself don't do a full glam every day. I have a very simple, very quick makeup look that I do every day. So the purpose of this video is to show you that you can do makeup very quick, very light, and in very little time as well. So this is really, like I said, this is my everyday look, and you can change it to suit yourself. So you can remove steps that you feel are not relevant for you, for the look that you want to achieve. You can add steps that you feel are necessary for yourself. You'll see that there's a lot of things that I leave out of my application, my daily application. So you can really just do it, tweak it, if I can say that as you. So I've already done my brows for the sake of this, the time of this video, because they haven't been tinted or threaded in like 55 days, so it's just a lot more consuming doing them now. I've also already prepared my face, I've cleansed it and put all my moisturizers. With my everyday look, I use a spray primer, which I'm gonna start with now. So just spray that generously over, and I like to go in with a wet beauty blender, and I just blend that into my skin. Okay, then I'm gonna start with my foundation. So I start off with a minimum amount because it is a light application, and then I'll just add on as I feel I need, wherever I feel like I need more coverage, right? So I'm just gonna I start off with my brush, and I just spread it nicely, blend it nicely into my skin everywhere, on my neck as well, because you don't want your neck and your face to be different colors. So you need to always remember your neck, and also remember to take it into your hairline, because you also don't want a line around, right? So for me, this coverage is perfect. It's light, it covers what it needs to, and it gives me a one tone. It has evened out my skin tone, right? So before I set my foundation, although my everyday application does not consist of highlighting and contouring, and I don't really do a lot of concealing. Also, I do take the same color concealer that I would use for highlighting, and I do just dab it a little bit under my eyes, and I'll also take it onto my lids. That's simply because I do have extremely dark eyelids and dark circles under my eyes. So the purpose of this is just to brighten up my eyes a little bit more. That's really the only place that I will place this, because normally when I'm doing this in the mornings before I go and drop my kids at school, I literally only have like 10 minutes, if even that. So now I'm going to use a wet beauty blender, and I'm going to set my foundation and my concealer with some powder. Before I do that, I just quickly make sure that I take out any creases, because I don't want to set any creases. So I'm going to use my blender, small little beauty blender. The reason that I use a blender is because I feel like it really assists in pressing in the powder into my foundation and my concealer, and it really sets it nicely. So I'm just gonna do it on the other side as well. I do use quite a bit of powder around my eyes because it really creases a lot through the day, so setting it nicely, it really eliminates that. And then I'm also going to, with my beauty blender, just press in my setting powder everywhere else on my face that I know creases a lot through the day. So apparently I frown a lot. My husband is always telling me to stop frowning, and I don't even realize I'm doing it, and with the result I have lines over here. I always think of myself as someone who smiles a lot, so I'm not really sure about that, but anyway, the lines are proof of the frowning. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm going to go in with a brush, and I am gonna set the rest of my face. So I'm just gonna lightly dab it all over, just like that. Tapping noise you hear, it's me dabbing off the excess powder from my brush. Okay, and I'm also gonna set my neck. Okay, now I'm just going to dust off my brush and then use the same brush again just to dust off any excess powder, because I don't want to be walking around the whole day with powder, excess powder on my face and just making me look very dry. And yeah, so once I've done that, I've set my foundation, I'm gonna go in with some mascara. So if you are going to put eyeshadow, then this is the point where you would then put eyeshadow before you do your mascara, right? So I don't have any lashes on at the moment, so I am gonna put mascara. Normally I won't put mascara on my top lashes because I usually have lashes on, but due to the quarantine I was unable to go and see my lash lady. So a lot of you out there, I'm sure you can feel my pain of brows and lashes and nails and all the other good things that we get to go out and do, facials and all of that. But yes, anyway, it's for our own safety. So I'm just, if I don't have lashes on, I just, you know, give my lashes a good coat of the mascara, right? Then I am going to put some blusher. I do like the blusher because the foundation evens out your skin tone, which is really the purpose. It does also, it can also make your face look a bit bland because your skin tone has evened out now. So the blusher, basically, it's just gonna bring some color back into your face. You know, you can really see a difference there. So I add most of the product to the apples of my cheeks, and then I just blend it upwards, right? Okay, so now I am going to put lipstick. This is my favorite color. It doesn't form part of my kit, it's just my own personal favorite lipstick. I've had it for years. I don't even know what brand it is. I don't even remember where I bought it, right? And then I will just add a little bit of gloss to it. Okay, so I am a big sucker for a contour, so I will do a powder contour on my cheeks. Although I'm not really, you know, highlighting and contouring doesn't form part of my my daily makeup, but I am gonna just do a little bit of a cheek contour because my face is round. I feel like, you know, it brings a bit of dimension to my face. And then I am going to do a little bit of a highlight just underneath here, just to help brighten up my under eyes because of the darkness that I have underneath my eyes, which is why I also do a little bit of an inner corner highlight. Okay, and that is it. That is my everyday look. I'm going to set it with some setting spray. Spray a generous amount of it, and then I will go in with my beauty blender again and just press the setting spray into everything that all the products I've put on my face. So you can, it's really a choice. You can leave it to dry, you can fan it dry. I love pressing it in. So this is the finished look. It is a very simple look. Like I said, I do leave a lot of steps out, but that's simply because I have so little time in the morning when I need to do my makeup before dropping my kids at school, right? So it's really just to make myself look a bit more presentable. Okay, so I hope that this video has been informative. I hope it's helped you see that you can do minimum makeup and still look nice, that you can do a makeup application. So I've really enjoyed doing this video for you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video, and I will also put the links to my Facebook and Instagram accounts so that you can go and follow me there. Before I leave you, I would like to leave you with my verse for the day, which is Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Love you lots, God bless, and stay safe.